United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 168, International Character of the Secretariat, 1. In the performance of their duties the Secretary-General and the staff shall not seek or receive instructions from any government or from any other source external to the authority. They shall refrain from any action which might reflect on their position as international officials responsible only to the authority. Each state party undertakes to respect the exclusively international character of the responsibilities of the Secretary-General and the staff, and not to seek to influence them in the discharge of their responsibilities. Any violation of responsibilities by a staff member shall be submitted to the appropriate administrative tribunal, as provided in the rules, regulations, and procedures of the authority. 2. The Secretary-General and the staff shall have no financial interest in any activity relating to exploration and exploitation in the area. Subject to their responsibilities to the authority, they shall not disclose, even after the termination of their functions, any industrial secret, proprietary data which are transferred to the authority in accordance with Annex 3, Article 14, or any other confidential information coming to their knowledge by reason of their employment with the authority. 3. Violations of the obligations of a staff member of the authority set forth in paragraph 2 shall, on the request of a state party affected by such violation, or a natural or juridical person, sponsored by a state party as provided in Article 153, paragraph 2b, and affected by such violation, be submitted by the authority against the staff member concerned to a tribunal designated by the rules, regulations, and procedures of the authority. The party affected shall have the right to take part in the proceedings. If the tribunal so recommends, the Secretary-General shall dismiss the staff member concerned. 4. The rules, regulations, and procedures of the authority shall contain such provisions as are necessary to implement this article.